Dictation of exercise number 9, 700, first half, start. It was a lovely river, full stop. It was wide and full of water in both summer and winter, full stop. In summer, the water was usually blue, comma, and its never ending movement towards the sea was so peaceful that it could not be seen except by the most careful observation, full stop. In winter, the water often ran more quickly and the color became blacker, comma, but even so, it continued to be a good river, full stop. It kept well within its high banks, comma, it was clean, comma, and it did not have places that were dangerous for the little sailing ships that used it as a playground, full stop. New para. Not all rivers are so kind to those who live near them, full stop. People used to live near or right on the banks of rivers because they required clean water for the many purposes of life, full stop. Today water can be brought to people over considerable distances, comma, and it is not necessary to live near a river to exist, full stop. In these days people like to live near rivers because they like to look at them or to sail on them, full stop. There are very few of us who do not find happiness in sitting and watching a large body of water, full stop. Houses that have good views of a river or of the sea or of any other mass of water can usually be sold at a high price, full stop. There is always a demand for houses in such pleasing situations, full stop. New para. High Point was such a house, full stop. It was one of a small number of large houses built on a piece of land some 200 or 300 feet above the river and the little town through which it passed, full stop. A young woman sat at a wide window of High Point, comma, reading a book, full stop. The evening light played on her golden coloring, comma, and she was beautiful, full stop. She put down the book and looked out over the well kept grounds of the house and down to the river, full stop. New para. How lovely and peaceful it is here, comma, she thought, full stop. There is still enough light for me to have an hour on the river in flying sails before the day quite dies, full stop. We have so few of these lovely days that we may as well make the best of them when we have the opportunity, full stop. New para. Perhaps she did not use just those words, but her thoughts were along those lines as she got up and moved away from the window and towards the open door, full stop and close.